Well, welcome to my garage. It's been a while. It's really been a while since I made a video like this. So I've been in a painting mood today. Since I've been in a painting mood, I actually repainted and did some touch-ups to Phantom, my Tacoma. I repainted the rear bumper and I actually tried color matching it this time. So I was kind of stressed out. I went to Home Depot earlier to get Rust-Oleum 2X Brilliant Blue because that's the color that I painted the truck with, but they didn't have any. Both of the Home Depots near me didn't have any blue, but there's a sail blue. This isn't the cap for it, but it's sail blue. It looks literally just like, not Voodoo Blue, but Brilliant Blue. There's so many blues, but all of these colors are supposed to look like Toyota's current Voodoo Blue on the brand new Tacomas, and I'm doing kind of an old school version of it. But let's get the truck in here and let's have a painting party. So the lighting really isn't that great, but at least you could see what I mean. I wasn't even sure if I wanted to go all black. I just thought that it was the easiest thing. Black goes with everything. Black goes with blue pretty nice. But now I kind of want to change it up. I notice I kind of change stuff up on my cars like once a year. So I did the grill last year. I did the grill myself. I get like questions about it every day. If I find someone else with the First Gen Tacoma with this face, then I will do a video on it. So if you want to volunteer your truck for a video, let me know in the email or whatever. But I used bed liner for the metal part of the bumper, and then I just spray painted the bottom part of it satin black, and it's held up really well. It's not chipped, it's not done anything. The bed liner has really held up well. My issue is I wasn't sure, I think I know what I'm gonna do, but my issue was I wasn't sure if I wanted to go blue on this part or blue on this part, and then the opposite would be black. I'm going to do this bottom part. This isn't gonna really be a how-to, but I just wanted to bring you guys along on some of my garage projects. So really, painting this type of plastic, I'm not really going for a showroom finish, obviously, because I take this thing off-roading, I use it like a truck. So I'm just gonna sand it down, use self-etching primer, and then put base coat and then clear coat. Eventually I'm gonna get an actual bumper with a winch, but this is just cheap stuff. I had the paint's like $4 a can. So all I really have to do is just take the turn signals out, put masking tape and newspaper along the whole bumper, the part that I don't want to paint obviously, probably some on the tires and in the radiator grill and such. I'm just gonna get into it and yeah, I guess enjoy the bit of montage. Okay, so I don't know. It's real late. It's almost like 1 o'clock right now. But I've put, I'd say, 2.5 or 3 coats of the blue on it. That seems thick enough for this. It just depends what you're painting on and what color you're painting over. So all I'm gonna do is wait a little bit for this to dry and then put clear coat on it, and then we can see how it looks. I do think I'm gonna paint this thing in the middle black. That will probably be tomorrow or some other time. But the paint is really laying well. It's shiny, it's glossy. I didn't mind if it turned out to be a matte color, but it's looking really nice. I guess it's time for the reveal. Let's see. Um, Gotta be kind of careful with it. That's fine. Okay. Yeah. Huh. I know I do have to paint in here black, because I kind of missed a little bit of a spot, but that's okay. So, I think I like it. I think I do. I'm gonna have to see it in the sun. And this part is definitely gonna have to be black in the middle. That's something I'll do tomorrow after the blue on this is dry so I could mask it. I think it looks good. Yeah. Okay, so it's later in the day. It's not the next day, but by the time that I finished everything, by the time I went to bed, it was like 3 in the morning. But my mind is blown with how it looks. I don't know if you can see the reflection of all the blue, but let's look at it. I honestly think it turned out really well. Oh my god, they're so loud. But like at first this morning, I really wasn't sure how I felt about it. But now I just washed it and put wax on it. And oh my god, look at that. And the way how everything turned out, oh my god, the way how everything turned out was really, I mean like here, but it's whatever. But like, it's shiny. You know, there are imperfections, which I really could not care less about because it's a bumper on an old truck. But it like just, oh my god, it looks beautiful. I was thinking about painting this part black, but I think I'm gonna leave it because I like how it looks. It kind of has a retro look to it, like those old, like late 70s, early 80s Toyota trucks. I don't know if you noticed, but I also painted my little tow hook red down there like the Rubicon. I also did that on the XC90 too. You know, and seeing it like this makes me want to keep this bumper on it. I kind of want to keep it like that. And then the rear bumper looks really good too. Oh god. I can't believe I got that on video. But the rear bumper looks really good too. I'm happy with how it turned out. I mean, it's not perfect. You can see here, this is where like the bed liner, because this is bed liner underneath it, where it was chipping, but I don't mind. It laid perfectly fine now, and it just kind of looks fresh. I like it. But before I make your ears start rattling too, because these things are so loud, I can't wait until they're gone. I'm gonna let you guys go. Thank you for watching. I hope you stayed until the end. Make sure you hit the notification bell, because I've been getting a lot of feedback from friends, subscribers, and just viewers in general that don't get notifications when I post. So make sure to hit that notification bell right by my name. Other than that, I don't really have much else to add. My arm is also getting tired. Usually that means it's time to go. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye, peeps.